People often ask me how I clean my boat, so today I'm going to show you in a step-by-step process in partnership with Salty Captain. So the first thing you want to do is grab the salt wash detergent and put it in the canister of this custom Salty Captain handpiece. This handpiece connects right onto the end of your hose and has 3 modes, so you can have no water running through it, you can have soap suds, or you can have just fresh water. So as you guys can see here, what I do is lightly spray the whole boat with the Salty Captain product. I let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then what I'll do is I'll go around the boat and rub and scrub it down to make sure you get all the fish guts and residue off the actual hull. After that, you just want to push the handpiece forward and give the boat a good rinse over with fresh water. Flushing your outboard is the most important part of the day in my opinion, to make sure the outboard stays clean and has no salt left over in it. What I like to do is put the earmuffs on evenly as you normally would, and then you grab the Salty Captain handpiece. Now the handpiece can actually have the outboard flush soap in it, and it plugs directly onto the back of your earmuffs. Once the hose is running, you head up, you turn your outboard on, and the soap actually flushes the full system throughout. Now once you've left that running for a little while, the soap will actually run out of the Salty Captain handpiece, and that's when you know it's completely done. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and well, I'll see you next time. Cheers.